Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Dropbox for desktop and manage smart sync settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Dropbox website at www.dropbox.com. Locate the download button on the homepage and click on it. The website will automatically detect your operating system. If your system is compatible, the download will begin immediately. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Find the Dropbox installation file and double-click to open it. Follow the prompts to install the application on your desktop. Once installed, launch Dropbox by clicking on its icon. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to sign in. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new one. Once logged in, the Dropbox interface will appear on your screen. To manage your Smart Sync settings, locate the Dropbox icon in your system tray. Right-click on the Dropbox icon to open the menu. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Sync tab. Here, you will find the Smart Sync options. You can choose from different settings: local, online only, or synchronized. To change a folder's Smart Sync setting, open your Dropbox folder through File Explorer or Finder. Right-click on the folder you wish to modify. Select Smart Sync, then choose your preferred option. Monitor the status of your files as they adjust according to your selected settings. Regularly check your Smart Sync settings to optimize your storage usage. That's it. You are now set to download Dropbox for desktop and manage your Smart Sync settings effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.